And we are back. We are about to go, wait a second, why am I holding this? Okay, that's better. You can see both my hands. So we are about to go to Belgrade, Serbia. Now, I want to add this in. I was in Morocco for about a week and a half.
When we got sticks for real, we looking out for the opposition. We don't do this for mass appeal.
However, I'm not one of those guys because I was alone. Yes, I post a lot of videos, pictures, but I'm not one of those guys that likes to walk around to the camera. Hey guys, I'm in Morocco, here's what I'm doing. So, we've made a plan to go back to Morocco and explore a couple cities and turn that into an entire vlog series for all of you. But for now, let's go to Belgrade, Serbia. We're going to see a bunch of cool stuff there. And then from there, we're going to go to Italy. And I'll see you in the next scene. And now we're in some creepy park in Belgrade, Serbia. Take a look at that awesome statue. I think there's something over here. Come on. Okay, so I've been getting DMs that Belgrade at this time of year is the worst time possible to come. As you can tell, the weather is amazing. Just look at all this rain. Look out over the city. On a positive note, you take a look at that bridge. Zoom in if you can for the people. Where I'm from, there's a bridge that looks just like that. So it's kind of cool. But yeah, I mean, as you can tell, pretty awesome city. Let's take a look over at this church. See if we can get inside since it's starting to rain. Right after we just talked, like as you can tell, just look over here. It started raining. It's calmed down a little bit. So we've had to get refuge underneath this tree. So give some thanks to this tree right here. Thank you, tree. Thank you so much for protecting us from this rain. And we meet again. Now I've got a lucky umbrella and we made it to the church. Since I'm a man of God, since you're a man of God, let's go pray. And as I was saying, I'm a man of God, so let's go pray. Okay, so we were going to film inside, but there's this guy that obviously didn't have any other purpose in his life other than just sitting around moping, feeling guilty for everything he's done in his life. And so he kept asking us all these annoying questions. Oh, no filming, no filming. But on a positive note, let's take a look at this architecture right here. Like, the crazy thing to me, and I know I'm the master of sarcasm, but I actually am being 100% serious if I say this. Like, this literally was, like, my handcrafted it. And if you could see inside, it was insane. Like, some guy, like, had to sit up there on a wooden board, it wouldn't be me, upside down, just painting. And then they constructed, the way the church looked was amazing. But with that said, see you in the next scene.
Where are you taking us?
Find some coffee.
Is this a safe area?
It's always safe with me. Okay, I'll see you guys at the top. Come on, just pull up. Come on.
The f***?
Here, grab it. Gonna be honest, I'm a little disappointed. I thought this was gonna be a full-on fortress. We just got here, so maybe I'm wrong. We're gonna take an adventure over here, but take a look at this cool house. Cool house. There's the church from the other day. And then this is actually a really good view. Right, take a look at that. So we have successfully taken the fortress of Belgrade. All these peons walking around, they're my troops, so they're just securing the area. But let's continue. Let's find where the king is. One great thing about being bald is I don't have to take 10 minutes to mess with my hair. Look at that. Rule of thumb, guys, shave your head, except tell your girl to keep her hair. It would be really weird if Jar Jar cut her hair. That would be really weird. Break up with her. So she's gonna keep her hair. I'm the bald one. You could be the bald one as well. Okay, guys, come on. Let's go up this weird, ancient, thing's like 400 years old, so it's not super ancient, but I need to apologize. I was disappointed, but you made up for it. This is the fortress. Now we've got to go take over that. So here's the fortress. There's some cannon stuff. There's the house that we were just at right over there. And take a look at this. Show them the city. This is actually really awesome. Highly recommend Belgrade. Ooh, what is that? And far in the distance, looks like some kind of awesome restaurant. Let's check that out. Something I find really weird is the castle's on the other side of this wall, but out front there's missiles, tanks, cannons. They're all facing, come here real quick. They're all facing the castle. You'd think it would be the opposite way. So if anybody in the comments section can let me know what happened here. Why are all these tanks and cannons and everything pointed towards the thing I would assume they're supposed to defend? Let me know down in the comments.
Brother, very good, very good. You know, bro, everyone wants to, reach that millionaire status, but not everyone can do it. What everyone can do, what you've done yourself,
benefit of traveling single is I could literally live for years out of my book bag in this duffel bag right here. Show them that. Shout out Colson, I took it out of your closet before you moved into my apartment. However, because I'm traveling with Jar Jar, I have to have this 200-pound suitcase plus a book bag and 1,000 other things. So decide, do you want to travel single or do you want to travel as a couple? You decide, let me know down in the comment section.
Our room right here. Wow, so nice. So this is the bed, tea and coffee. This is the bathroom. Dylan! Mini fridge. Where is he? Oh, it's so far right there. Oh! There you go. Kind of.
Here, Paul's waiting for you. I saved you some chips. Here.
Hey, thank you. It's empty!
Yeah, you took too long. But with that said, we're in Italy, specifically Rome, Italy. You're going to be able to see Italian pizza, proper Italian pizza, Colosseum, a bunch of other things. With that said, I'll see you in the next scene. I'm trying to find our transport. We're going to be visiting the Pantheon so I can hang out with my ancient relatives. Right, well, let's go. Not for you.
Thank you. Oh.
They told me, Maria, what's happening? Just two.
It's no money. Thank you.
So, just to tell to you, please, to become the slaves. And the slaves will become the stars.
Yeah.
See the white wall? There's a wall. Because the lions, tigers, bears, and the wolves, they often used to jump. Then the archers were ready to kill. New amphitheater, amphitheatro no. So let's say that the people once they used to call this place Flavian Amphitheater. This I want you to know. After 6 or 7, they could earn our basic thing, which we call, as you know, a freedom. As a second thing, they could become very rich, very famous.
Also, they could get rich.
Yeah, they could, yeah. A lot of them.
Yeah.
1 of 2, they died. Imagine, 1 of 2, they died. And the ladies from the highest Roman society, they were attracted to them. So they often used to observe them, touch them, and often they used to pay them. So we can say that studying those elements, we understood that the moral in the Roman society was low. Like in all the richest societies.
So guys, we are in underneath the Temple of Venus. I don't know the proper name now, but we're in a crypt. So once again, we're in a crypt. Go walk and show them in there. I can't explain how amazing the ceiling and everything is. The video is not going to do justice. Meaning you're going to have to come here. So if you want to learn how to get into freelancing, click that link down below. Let's continue. Okay guys, I have to be honest, I'm a little nervous right now. If you've ever seen Twilight, I don't know which one it was. Jory, which one is it where they meet the elites of the vampire?
New moon.
A New Moon.
What a happy surprise. Bella is alive after all.
In Twilight New Moon, they went into this weird thing. They met these red-robed people. But anyways, point being, Jari and I, and you now, are about to go to an after-night, like after-hours tour, meaning there's not going to be a bunch of people there. The Vatican officially is closed, and we're going to be going 2 hours after it's closed. So I'm a little nervous, but if I disappear, this is my recording. Guys, I have no idea where I'm at right now. All I know is I entered a room, and the door closed. I'll show you in the next video. This is too crazy. I've got to get out of here.